Cabin 7294. This is a grand suite. So as you come in, you see you have a nice dressing area. You can call this, I don't even want to call this a walk-in closet. It is a full-on dressing area. You got power in here, nice mirror. You got closets on this side. This one doesn't want to open, but there's a closet on that side. You have shelves there. I think it's stuck. There must be a trick to that, y'all, and I don't know what it is.
It's not aligned. You see that there's a gap there?
There we go. Yeah, I just fixed it. Oh, no, it opens that way.
Oh, there you go.
And I'm glad I did that because it goes all the way back in there. Yes, everyone, I am challenged. I don't know how to open closet doors.
That's my job.
Right. Nice living room space, guys, with almost like a sofa sectional going on with a chair there. Well, this would be very comfortable for us for streaming, huh?
Sure would be.
You have a nice TV which swivels. What I mean by swivels is if you want to watch it during the day, you can do that. But if you want to watch it at night, you turn it around, and now it's facing the bedroom. This is what it looks like when the beds are split up. So the two nightstands go in the middle, and you see you have your two twins. There is no additional power by the beds, by the way. Over here, you do have a desk area. There is power here, two US, two USB, and a European. And that lights up there with the two sconce lights. You also have a mini bar down here and a little stool. Now this, I'm sure, has a really decent sized balcony, so let's go take a look. It is the grand suite. It's not very deep, but it is pretty long. So down there you have a nice lounger. And then of course, as you saw, the chairs and the little table there. So let's go take a look at the bathroom, this grand suite. His and her sinks. Wow, look at this bathroom. Hold
That
it.
is a grand bathroom.
You got a bidet in here, Lisa.
Wow.
Whirlpool shub tower combo, but it's elongated. It's like a peanut. This presents challenges for me. I mean, you can see there is some height between me and the ceiling right now, but that tub is up about 5 or 6 inches. So imagine me, it's going to be a little bit tight for someone my height. Outside of that, you got shelves and a mirror there, shelves on this side, power, as I mentioned, his and her sinks. I love having the whirlpool tub. It's just for me to stand up, it's a little bit challenging at my height. Outside of that, awesome. Let us know what you think in the comments. Ciao.